SK Telecom Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to SK Telecom's plans and products are in the description. SK Telecom is South Korea's largest and most advanced mobile operator, offering industry-leading 5G speeds, extensive nationwide coverage, and cutting-edge mobile services. As a pioneer in 5G technology, SK Telecom delivers ultra-low latency and high-speed connectivity, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and business applications. Its network infrastructure covers even the most remote areas, ensuring reliable service across the country. SK Telecom provides a variety of postpaid and prepaid plans with generous data allowances, unlimited calling options, and exclusive perks such as free access to SK's entertainment services, cloud gaming, and AI-powered customer support. The company also offers enterprise solutions, including IoT connectivity, cloud-based security, and smart city initiatives, making it a preferred choice for businesses and tech-savvy users. Despite its strong performance, SK Telecom is among the most expensive providers in South Korea, with pricing higher than competitors like KT and LGU+. While the quality justifies the cost, budget-conscious users may find better deals elsewhere. Another drawback is occasional network congestion in highly populated areas, particularly during peak hours. Additionally, while SK Telecom's customer support is generally efficient, some users report inconsistencies in service quality and responsiveness. Overall, SK Telecom is the best choice for those who want the fastest 5G speeds, widest coverage, and premium mobile services, especially for power users, professionals, and businesses that require top-tier connectivity. If you prioritize network reliability and cutting-edge features over cost, SK Telecom is a solid option. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly plan, KT or LGU+ might offer better value. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and promotions.